So what we're going to have a look at here is how to sketch these things called hyperbole or hyperbolas and also truncus or truncuses. So what we've got here, we've got the equation of y equals 1 over x. What that does is that'll graph something that looks like this. And we call that a hyperbola. 1 over x squared over here will graph something that looks like this. And it'll flip what we had here and I'll make it positive, so it'll reflect it, because anything negative, if we square it, becomes positive. So that's what ends up happening here. Now, the reason it looks like this is because there are certain values this can't take, and that is here at 0 and also where y equals 0. Same thing here, it's where x equals 0 and where y equals 0. Reason for that is because we can't divide by 0. We can't take something, divide it by nothing and get something. It doesn't work. So as a result, we get these things here called asymptotes. Now, because we don't have anything being added or subtracted to x, or anything added and subtracted to the whole function, we can't. They happen at the axes. Now, if we start introducing transformations or translations here, that's when they start to change their position. So, if we had something like this, y equals a over x minus h plus k, that will look something like this. And we had an asymptote here at x equals h, and also another one at y equals k. So same thing can happen here with the truncus. We graph it. It looks something like that. And we'd have our asymptotes. X equals h, and at y equals k. So that's how we go about drawing them. So we look at our values, we substitute whatever they are. So if we had a 2 here, we'd move it across 2. If this was a 3, we'd move it up 3. If this was over here a negative 4, we'd move it down 4. So that's the kind of thing that we're looking at when we're sketching either a hyperbola, which we've got here, or a truncus. And we'll have a look at some examples of these later on.